Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Hey there, artful creators! Welcome back to the Toddlers Art Hub, where imagination and creativity come together. Today, we have a delightful treat for you. We're going to learn how to draw a super cute ice cream cone step by step. Are you ready to get started? Let's dive in. To begin, let's draw the cone. It's like an upside-down triangle with a curved bottom. That's the base for our adorable ice cream. Now, let's add the ice cream scoop on top of the cone. Draw a slightly tilted oval shape. Think of it as a fluffy cloud of ice cream goodness. Our ice cream needs a face to make it even cuter. Draw two big, round eyes on the ice cream scoop. Add tiny circles inside for that spark of life. Beneath the eyes, give your ice cream a sweet smile. Just a simple curve will do the trick. What's an ice cream without sprinkles, right? Draw small, irregular shapes on top of the ice cream scoop. These are your colorful sprinkles. Feel free to get creative with different shapes and sizes. Let's add the cherry on top to make our ice cream extra special. Draw a small circle with a curved stem coming out from the center of the ice cream scoop. Time to add some texture to the cone. Draw curved lines on the cone to make it look like a waffle cone. You can also add some wavy lines to show the softness of the ice cream. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Use your favorite colors to bring your cute ice cream to life. Color the ice cream scoop, cone, and all those delightful sprinkles. Don't forget to give the cherry a vibrant red. And there you have it, a perfectly cute ice cream creation. You've turned simple lines into something absolutely adorable. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and keep having fun with your art. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to the Artful Kids Club for more creative adventures. Until next time, keep spreading the creativity and keep smiling. Hello little artists. Now we're going to have a blast drawing a super cute cupcake. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with the cupcake wrapper. Draw a squiggly line in the shape of a cup. Great job! This is where our delicious cupcake will go. Now, let's add the yummy frosting. Draw a fluffy cloud-like shape on top of the cup. Fantastic! Time to make it even more delicious. Time to make it even sweeter. Draw a strawberry on top of the frosting. It's like a little hat for our cupcake. And now, add a heart beside the strawberry. Love is the secret ingredient. Let's give our cupcake a personality. Draw two cute eyes above the heart. Make them as big as you can. Now, draw a sweet smile below the eyes. Our cupcake is so happy. Great job on the drawing. Now it's time to add color to your cupcake. Use your favorite crayons to bring it to life. Color the cupcake wrapper, frosting, strawberry, heart, eyes, and smile. time for a magical touch. Wow, it's looking extra special now. You did it, little artist. Look at your adorable, sparkling cupcake masterpiece. It's like a dream come true. Keep up the great work and have fun adding your own special touches next time. Thanks for drawing, coloring, and adding sparkles with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.